Dear students, now I am going to explain different types of sentences. First of all, where there is the use of modals in a sentence, we use be while making passive voice. Rule is subject plus modal plus be plus third form of verb. For example, I can solve this question. When we change into passive voice, we will write this question can be solved by me. Modals are can, could, may, might, must, ought to, should, etc. Now the second sentence is may I see your book? When we change into passive voice, we will write may your book be seen by me. Now second type is of imperative sentences. When there is an imperative sentence, we use let. The rule is let plus be plus third form of verb. For example, open the door. In the passive voice, we will write let the door be opened. Second sentence is never tell a lie. We will write let a lie never be told. Third is please lend me your book. When there is the use of please, we will write you are requested. You are requested to lend me your book. Fourth sentence is do not keep bad company. So when there is the advice, we will write you are advised. And now it is the use of do not, so we will write not to. So we will make the passive voice you are advised not to keep bad company. Now I am coming to the sentences in which there is the use of prepositions. Sentences involving prepositions. For example, he listened to the teacher. When we change into passive voice, we will write the teacher was listened to by him. Second sentence is this jug contains milk. While changing into passive voice, we will write milk is contained in this jug. In this sentence, we are adding the preposition in according to the sense. The third sentence is I know him. While changing into passive voice, we will write he is known to me. To preposition is used with the word know. That is why we write he is known to me. Here we are avoiding by here. Next.